Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro Max in deep purple. I'm taking off the security tabs on the top and bottom of the box. As you can see here, this is actually a 512 gigabyte model. You won't know unless you read the bottom of the box or behind it. It does look purple, but it looks kind of gray in some kind of light setting. So it only comes with a charger. There's no brick that's included. So it looks okay. Here I'm going to show you a front of the camera. The notches does protrude a little bit from the previous models. So I'm taking off the screen protector. You see phone here is really dark. I'm not turning it on. So back to the box, it's just charger, cable. Like I said, no brick. It's just instructions and a sticker. And back to the phone, you can see here on the side of the phone it's stainless steel, but it does have a hint of purple in the color background, so you can see here. And that's about it. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.